Wait the drugs. If you didn't have the opportunity to get rid of your woman, how you would have do it? Me? Would I drive her out of the state and leave her at one of them amusement park? I made him just push her in front of one train. What about you, Redman?
Me can't do the same thing when me did it to my first wife.
You did married?
Yeah, man, me did married, but me lose her through my job.
Which job? Me never know you did work. And me never know you did married. How you gonna make it work, make you lose your woman? That don't make no sense. It don't make no sense at all, you know.
Well, I had a first wife, and I have a job. It all starts when the Jamaican intelligence agency had an opening. So me now decide to me go and try out. Me go through the whole background check, interview, and testing process. A whole bunch of people try out, but only 3 people get selected. Me, an African youth, and another youth from Fariegn. This is the final stage of the process, and in this stage, we have to know that you will follow all instructions, no matter what the circumstance. We have each of your wives sitting in a chair in that room. Your orders are to go in and kill her.
You can't be serious. I could never kill my wife.
Then you are not the man for this job. Go get your wife, you're free to go. The question that I must ask before I actually decide to go into this situation, are you telling me that I have to go and kill my own wife in order for me to get this job? That is correct. I must apologize. There is no way I can kill my own wife, the mother of my children. No, I cannot do it. Then you don't have what it takes to do this job. You can get your wife and go home.
No bother with the long talking. Me soon come back. Chona never they tell me say the gun they load the blanks, you know. I beat me for beat her with the chair till she dead, you know. Sure.
What?
Yeah, man, me beat her with the chair till she dead, man. But that's what they tell me for do. How you go on like that to tell me for do? Hey, boy, now go on like you don't want to give man the job, you know. Boy, me I tell you, Red man, you're wicked, man. You're wicked.
You know, when I think about it, I realize, you know, it wasn't me, you know. That was drugs. That happened to drugs. That didn't happen to me.
You know, so I forget about that.
Rasta clubbers. I you that happened to drugs.
I have to kill our wife, drugs. For real, I have to do that. Well, a long time, I don't want to get rid of she still, you know. A long time, man. Because, you know, the girl always hang on, man, like she don't want to leave, man. So, you want me get that opportunity, me just do it.
You're wicked drugs. You're wicked for real.